Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the tank because most problems lie there. Remove the lid and set it on a towel, then look for obvious signs: low water level, a stuck flapper, or a disconnected chain. If water sits below the overflow by more than 1/2 inch, the fill valve may need adjustment. Lift the flapper with your hand to see if it seals cleanly. If the chain is slack or tangled, reattach so the flapper closes reliably after each flush. Once you know the problem area, act deliberately. Adjust the fill valve or float arm to raise the water to the proper level, about 1/2 inch below the overflow tube, because correct water height creates proper siphon action. Clean the flapper seat and replace the flapper if it looks warped, allowing a full seal. Inspect and clear rim jets and the siphon jet with a brush or thin wire to restore flow. Clogged jets reduce flushing force and cause weak flushes. You finish by testing. Flush several times while watching how the flapper drops, the chain moves, and the tank refills. Make sure the refill stops with the water at the set level. If the flush remains weak, use a flange plunger first, then a toilet auger to clear partial clogs. If plunging and valve fixes fail, consider vent blockage or a main sewer obstruction. Call a pro. Meanwhile, avoid chemical drain cleaners because they can damage seals and porcelain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.